Kia ora, I'm Aaron from the Haydn Brush Company. I'm the South Island rep. And today we're just going to have a quick chat about the Haydn heat gun. It's a quality bit of kit. It's a 2-speed heat gun. It comes in this lovely packaging. And we'll just go through some of the contents. With the magic of media, this is not quite a proper unboxing, but this is what you get in the kit. So you get your 2-speed heat gun, 240 volt. You get 2 sets of scraper blades. You get one for paneling and just a wide dispersed heat blade for lifting and scraping paint off. And you can see it's got all the essentials, particularly for such a well-priced kit. And now we're down to just the gun. So it's a quality little gun. It throws out quite a bit of heat. You've got variable speed settings down the bottom, and that's also temperature settings. But it runs at about 350 degrees, I think, to 550 degrees. And it's good. It's really well priced, and you can find it in most of your big stores around the country.